Baby, can you face mommy, please? I wonder what is that. Rip it off.
I can't. I gotta.
Oh, use the scissor.
Can somebody help me find?
Throw the boxes behind you. All the trash, throw it all behind you.
You can find it.
That was funny.
Dream light, huh, baby?
You got a dream light. What else you gonna
There you are. Ah,
just no, there you go, baby.
who's that from?
Mommy and Daddy and Jalen. Oh, come on.
Let's see.
Something in here. It says
Oh,
iPad.
calm down, calm down.
Oh my gosh.
iPad!
Yay!
Yay! Oh my God!
Got your own iPad, baby.
Now you got the iPad and the cover.
Yes,
Where's
Mommy.
your cover?
Right here with it.
Okay. Who is it from?
Sam.
Just move it on the side, Bobo, because it's stretchable.
Box. Okay, I need the scissors really now. No, I don't. Yes, I do. I really need the scissors, Mommy.
Okay, just go to the next one.
I found them.
You found it?
Oh, I didn't see the slippers.
They're Mommy's.
You want Daddy to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Never mind. I think it's shoes. For my... They are so cute!
That is so
They're
cool.
for my, probably Santa got them for my, thingy.
For your thingy.
My, communion.
Put your shoes over here, baby.
What shoes?
The ones you just got.
What shoes?
The ones
Oh,
you
that's,
just-
I think that's for Daddy.
What?
The one in your hand.
There you are.
There.
That's for Daddy.
To learn Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Santa. I want to keep all of this. American Doll!
Oh my God!
Oh
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
It's the one
oh my God!
that you have a friend.
She you get a friend now. Where's your other one? Where's the other one? Go get your other one too.
What's her name?
I don't know. Hey.
Now what's her name gonna be?
I don't know yet. You got a friend? They
Ta-da!
look the same.
They look
They're
alike.
sisters.
They're probably sisters or twins. Huh.
That's Amor and Vita. Is that right?
Amor and Tita
I know
Butch.
what
That's Amor and Tita Butch, huh?
Here you go, Mom.
Thank you, Daddy.
From the baby and daddy.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. I think you need a scissor with that one, Boo Boo.
Right there.
Where?
Doll. Want me to help you?
Let Daddy help you. Go ahead, Daddy.
Here.
I don't want you to hurt yourself. Yeah, that's much. I can. Careful, Daddy. I think it's my communion dress.
There you go.
Because it's a white. And it is! Can I try it on, Mommy?
Oh my
Can I
God.
try it on?
Beautiful.
Say thank you, Tita Butch.
Thank you, Tita Butch. Oh, there's already a.
Finish your gifts and then you can try it on.
Okay.
Come on.
To learn from Santa. I'm wondering what that one is. Easy. Now, what is this? Scissors! No, open this one first.
Hmm?
Zigzag scissors.
Open your dog.
He's already open.
Okay. Say hi, doggy.
What's your doggy's name gonna be?
Spots.
Spots?
Mhm.
That's nice. Is that how you treat your dog?
What?
Yeah.
It's not a horse, baby.
I wish he gave me a horse.
You want a pony, huh?
Yep. I want a pony. What's this? Human body. Take a 3 dismiss.
Open your
Look inside.
present, Daddy.
I think it's a guitar.
Just keep on looking.
Keep on wishing, huh?
Just keep on wishing. Your wishes will come true. Why don't you open yours, Mommy?
I will. I'm still taking a video of you and Daddy. Calm down. Come over here, baby. I can see you.
See what it is. Let's see. Don't have anything. Oh man. Hello Kitty. No. Oh. Hello Kitty what? Shirt. And pajamas.
Yay. One side is,
I bet you I know what these are.
huh?
I bet you I know what these are. Mommy don't want me to.
Mommy don't want you to what? Come on.
Get paint on them.
Huh?
Mommy don't want me to get paint on them.
You know it, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know it.
You better get him something different next time.
I don't know. You like
What is
skinny one though.
Look.
Wow, that's a nice dress
I want more books.
from Santa.
Yay! Now I
Yay.
can go out.
To
Paint-free jeans.
Yay!
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, Daddy.
And baby.
Baby.
Told you I got you a gift.
That's the right size, the big one, but it's loose.
It says Disney Princess or something. Right.
You got one more to go, baby?
I don't even know what it is.
Use the
Somebody
scissors.
give me the scissors.
Where is it?
It says Disney something. So it's pink, so I guess it's Disney Princess. Yep, it says Disney Princess. Wrapped it up good.
Santa knows how to wrap it, huh?
He didn't get me any Barbie dolls this time.
You didn't?
Nope, I don't think so.
He didn't what?
Hold on, baby. Hold on, Ray Ray.
I told you. You call me Ray Ray. Okay.
There you are.
A Barbie doll!
Ta-da!
See that?
Ta-da!
A big one too.
That's a big one, huh? We got one more to go?
Big.
Oh.
Can you start opening yours yet, Mommy?
I will open after you open your stuff. Oh, did you open the one in the paper bag yet? Oh my God! Now you really are going to play lacrosse.
What is this?
It's a lacrosse bag.
And look
Where you
inside.
I think there is one inside.
Is there something inside?
Yes. A lacrosse stick.
Ta-da!
Okay, I think I'm done.
You think you're done?
Let's look under
There's
the
some more
That bag
from
right there. This
the bag, the blue bag.
Right here, Dawn.
Lauren, right in front of you.
Rose. Lime color
This is the-
style plus heart.
Oh, that's for you and me. The one on top is yours and the mine is the...
And it got highlights on it. Oh, I like this.
Ta-da!
Oh, no, it's okay. Skinny jeans.
Ta-da!
One more.
Oh, you're gonna look like a grown girl.
Okay.
Nothing
Done?
wrong.
No,